Hare Krishna, dear students. Welcome to the grammar class. In the last class, we were discussing prepositions. We had completed until exercise number 12.3. So let's continue. On, over, under, above and below. Look at these sentences. Anil has a cap on his head. कहाँ पे है cap? उसके सर पे. On his head. Anil has an umbrella over his head. कहाँ है umbrella? उसके सर के ऊपर. Anil is standing under an umbrella. कहाँ खड़ा है वो? umbrella के नीचे. Why don't you come under it too? तुम भी उसके नीचे क्यों नहीं आ जाते? There is a bridge over the river. A boat is passing under the bridge. Rohit's head is above the water. His body is below the water. So, by looking at these sentences, we understand on मतलब ऊपर, over मतलब ऊपर से, under मतलब नीचे, above भी मतलब ऊपर और below भी नीचे. But the usage of all these words is different. It will be more clear by solving the given exercise. Practice time 12.4. Fill in the blanks with on, over, under, above and below. There is a beautiful flower vase lying dash the table. Table के ऊपर, on the table. Look at the cat dash the table. Cat कहाँ है? Table के नीचे. It's under the table. The plane flew dash the mountains. Plane कहाँ से उड़ा? Mountain के ऊपर से. So over the mountains. She put her purse below the pillow. उसने अपने पर्स को तकिए के नीचे रखा. Below the pillow. The water flowed below the bridge. पानी कहाँ पे बह रहा था? ब्रिज के नीचे से. Below the bridge. Don't sign above or below the stamp. Sign on it मतलब कि आपको स्टैम्प के ऊपर या नीचे साइन नहीं करना है, आपको स्टैम्प के ऊपर ही साइन करना है. Now let's look at the next topic. From, to, for. From मतलब कहीं से, to मतलब कहीं को, for मतलब कहीं जाने के लिए. He went to Mumbai last week. वो कहाँ गया था? मुंबई गया था. He returned from Mumbai today in the morning. वो कहाँ से वापस आया? From Mumbai. He stayed there for work मतलब कुछ काम के लिए. We lived in this house from January to March. कब से? जनवरी से मार्च तक. We lived in this house for 3 months. कितने महीने के लिए? 3 महीने के लिए. Let's practice it. Practice time 12.5. Fill in the blanks with from, to or for. He returns dash his office in the evening. Office से वापस आता है from his office. I have not received any letter from home. कहाँ से letter नहीं आया है? घर से. We have winter vacation from 24th December to 1st January. In London they have Christmas holidays dash almost 3 weeks. कितने हफ्ते के लिए? For almost 3 weeks. We lived in Punjab from 1995 to 2004. We lived there for about 9 years. कितने सालों के लिए? 9 सालों के लिए. Father goes to his office in the morning. Let's look at the next topic. Behind, in front of, near, between, among. Behind मतलब पीछे, in front of मतलब सामने, near मतलब पास में, between मतलब बीच में, among मतलब लोगों के साथ या किसी चीज के साथ. Look at the given sentences. Their car is parked near the gate. उनकी कार कहाँ पार्क की हुई है? गेट के पास में. अजय is standing between Mr. Gupta and Ritu. कहाँ खड़ा है वो? मिस्टर गुप्ता और ऋतु के बीच में. The dog is standing among the plants. Dog कहाँ खड़ा है? प्लांट्स के बीच में. Mr. Gupta, Ajay and Ritu are standing in front of the gate. कहाँ खड़े हैं वो लोग? गेट के बिल्कुल सामने. Their dog is behind the gate. Dog कहाँ है? गेट के पीछे. Fill in the blanks with behind, in front of, near, between, among. One preposition only once. Sujata distributed the sweets dash her friends on her birthday. उसने अपने friends के बीच में sweets को बांटा मतलब among. Please do not park your car dash the gate. Gate के सामने कार पार्क मत करना. So we will be saying, please do not park your car in front of the gate. We have a beautiful park dash our house, near our house. The painting is dash the window and the clock. बीच में है, between the window and the clock. He hid dash a curtain. वो कहाँ छुपा? curtain के पीछे. Behind the curtain. See carefully how some prepositions have been used in the following sentences. मतलब we have to read the following sentences. Manju is suffering from fever. वो किस चीज से सफर कर रही है? fever से. It is 7 by my watch. We should be kind to animals. I am waiting for my friends. Do not be afraid of the dog. The table is made of wood. I went to the market with my mother. We sat at the table and took our lunch. Okay, children, is it clear to you? We have completed our chapter number 12, that was prepositions. In the next class, we will be starting the next chapter, that is chapter number 13, conjunctions. Until then, आप prepositions वाले chapter को एक बार starting से लेके end तक अच्छे से read करेंगे and सारी exercises को book में solve करेंगे. Okay? Hare Krishna.